Zara, eat properly, dear. Your food is getting cold.
Mama, today my heart feels really happy.
Sometimes Allah puts happiness in our heart.
Mama, Baba, Zara! What happened, Zayd? Our Hajj visa has been approved. Really? We are going to Makkah? Yes.
Alhamdulillah, Allah accepted our dua.
This is the most beautiful blessing.
MashaAllah.
Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. We are coming, Ya Allah, labbaik. Hajj is calling, hearts so bright. We will follow every right. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Allahumma labbaik. Allahumma labbaik. White Ihram we wear today, clean and pure in every way. Simple clothes and humble heart. Hajj is where our journey starts. Talbiyah we softly say. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Around the Kaaba we all go, 7 rounds, nice and slow. Praying, walking side by side. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Safa Marwa we walk and run. Remember Hajar under sun. Zamzam water came so pure. Allah's promise always sure. White and standing row by row. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Hands are raised we make dua. Forgive us all Ya Allah. Standing here with humble cry under peaceful golden sky. La ilaha illallah. We all praise our loving will cry. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Hand is calm, stars shining bright. We collect pebbles in light. We sleep under open sky. Time of peace just passing by. Wave your heavens, even ooh. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Wages here, joy every way. Follow Allah every day. Aid is here, joy everywhere. Thank you Allah for your care. Hajj is done with hearts so pure. Allah's love will still endure. Allahu Akbar, hearts unite. La ilaha illallah, Allah. Allahu Akbar, voice is true. Walillahi alhamd for you. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak.